you're altering the design. You don't need to alter anything. All you need to do is come down here, which is the third layer here, the third picture here. You can just delete, let's just delete this ones. So you come to the background, select the background, then go and bring the picture you want to place. In this case, this one. Place the picture on top of it like that. I can understand that the picture is longer than the width of this canvas. So all you need to do is rasterize this very one now. Rasterize it, then select, use your tool, your selection tool, this tool. Select from here to the tip of it, and then do the same. Hold either you hold shift, let me on this. Is either you hold shift down like this when you come here. Is either you hold shift and then you select another one, or you click this so that it just selects with the plus. It just keeps adding. Select. So now you've selected the two edges that are not complete. Then you hold shift and then click delete, which is the backspace button. Clicks delete to open this, and then select content aware. Make sure you put this color adaptation, normal, opacity 100. You can leave this one, then OK. So it's going to fill up the missing space. See, it has filled it up for you. Then you can Ctrl D to deselect. If the picture is looking too dark, you can just brighten it up a little bit. In fact, don't even brighten it up if you're gonna mess it up. But if you can do the color, if you can do the brightening a little bit, just a mild adjustment, and you're good to go. All you need to do now is the text, the review. You need to replace the review. So to do that, you can just bring in another one, which is this one. You can bring this one in, place it inside, delete the other one, or you can leave that one. No, just delete it so you don't get confused. Reduce it. Make sure you always leave space here. Don't make it look too congested. See, now we still have a lot of space here. So what we can do is, instead of still reducing it, what we can do is we push it this way. So we push it this way and then still increase it, since we have enough space on the other side. So, but make sure the thing is properly aligned, properly centered, not one-sided. If you notice, you'll see that there is a, what's it called, there's a transparency in the black box. There's a transparency. I can still see through the image. You can still see the image a little bit. We can even reduce it a bit more, but no, let's leave it this way. I think we should turn this to screen. It makes no difference anyways. So yeah, we have it like this, exactly like this. This is what I want you to do. Don't make any other changes. Do not make the background darker than it is. Just another way you can do it is, let's say you want to change this text now, you can double click this icon in here to open it in another place. Then you bring the next one. This one now has no space at all, so you can just put it here. like this. Let it align with the other one, you see. Then you can delete this one, or you just save. You can just merge it down. If there's anything showing on this side, you can crop it out. You can crop it out. So when you get to the other side window, you can adjust it the way you want. But make sure there's enough breathing space here and here. There has to be enough breathing space. So see, this is the second one. So let me just bring back the other one, so we can save this. And if you want to save it, instead of saving it just like that, hold Shift, Option, or Control. I don't know what it is on your Windows. So Shift, Option, and Command. So it should be Shift, Control, Alt in Windows. Shift, Control, Alt in Windows. So you hold them together, and then you click E. So you have merged you have stamped all the visible layers. Convert it to Smart Object, and then you see this little icon here on this other one that I've styled already. Just drag from inside that icon, drag it and place it on top of this one. See, now the thing is looking sharper. See how it was before, see how it is now. See how sharp it is. Let me zoom in. See how it was before, see how it is now. Then you can delete this one on top here. The only reason I leave it there is so that you can get that filter from there. So after doing that, you can save. You can save it here. If you want to save, you come to File, come to Export, then go to Export, Quick Export as PNG. You can do that, but before you do that, come to Export Preference. From Export Preference, you can check, okay, it's already on transparent, and make sure it's not on smaller file 8-bit. Do not check this box, leave it like that. Make sure it's on transparent. If it's here, just turn this off and put this on, then it's okay. And then you can come and export now. Quick Export. You can call this one number 2. Okay, we already have number 2, so let's call this 4. We have 3. Save. See it here. So please do not do anything else apart from what I just showed you to do now. Let me run it to you again. You come here, delete the last image. Make sure you hide this. This was not hidden. Hide it. You can see the history here. Hide it. Then come to here, this image. You can delete it. Then place the new one that you want to do. Place it on top of the background. So if the image like this one now, the image is okay. If it's okay, you don't have to bother. All you need to do now is you come, let me even group this one for you. You come here to review. You come to review and drag it down a bit, because the thing is too up and it's covering the most vital stuff. So you can just drag it down here a little bit, but make sure it's in the middle. Do not move it like this or like this. Make sure it's constantly in the middle. So if you want to move it, hold Shift and Control or Command, and then drag down from anywhere. Leave it like that there. Then you can change the text. Let's change the text to this one. Send it back so it's on top. You can delete this one and then resize it a little bit. Yeah, and you're done with this one. Do you get? So when you want to save, don't forget, hold shift alt and control, then click E to stamp, then convert it to smart object, and then drag this icon down here and then save here. After setting your export preference, you export you do quick exports and save it number 5. So that's it. It's simple. It's as simple as that. Always follow the instructions.